Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your NOKIA C12. So at the first step, you have to open the Google Play Store and look for the fax app. You will find a lot of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax, its name here Top Fax, but in the Google Play Store this is Easy Fax. So now we have to add permissions to the camera and files, and tap on the plus to choose the source of your document. Select your photo and click import. Now you can adjust the shape of your document and click next. Then choose the filter for your photo to make it more visible for the receiver. You can also add a signature, text and graffiti by these icons. If you're ready, click accept. Type the number in this place, choose the country from the list. Never mind. Okay. Now just type the number, and if you want to add more documents to this list, just click plus and do it like before. If you want to send the document from this list, just get your free credits or buy it and tap on this button. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.